How to recover your password in Sirena.app. If you can't log to your Sirena account, don't worry, changing your password is easier than you might think. My name is Luisa and I'm from the customer success team here in Sirena, and I'm going to show you how to change your Sirena's password. If you have any questions or comments about this training, you can leave a comment under the video and we'll get back to you shortly. If you are not able to log in your Sirena account, click in I forgot my password button. Then enter the email you use as your Sirena username. In under 2 minutes, you'll receive an email like this in your inbox. If it's been a few minutes and you still haven't received the email, please check your spam filter, as it can sometimes be routed there. You will be asked to reset your password. Remember, the password must have at least 8 characters, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and at least 1 number. If you have an administrator role, you can also reset the password for any user in your team. In Sirena, go to the User and Groups tab and then select the Add Contacts icon for the contact you like to change the password for. Then simply re-enter the password and save. Finally, remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated in all the latest news. You can continue with the next training here.